Lidl are selling a KitchenAid for $49.99, so I literally went to two stores to try and get one. And that's not the only thing. This week is packed with kitchen, cleaning, and homeware bits, so let's see what's actually worth buying. This is one of the biggest Lidl drops I've seen in a while. Kitchen Week is properly back. There's loads of cleaning bits, and some of their best selling home pieces have come back in as well. So I'm going to take you through the middle aisle and tell you what's actually worth buying and what I'd leave behind. So I went straight to the middle aisle to find the KitchenAid and nothing, not a single one. Spoke to the very helpful staff. Apparently it just hadn't arrived into store yet. So I'm going to have to try another Lidl. I'm determined to find one. So keep watching to the end because I'm not giving up on one of these. I really want to buy one for my husband for Easter. So I'm going to go on a bit of a road trip. They did have the Bosch food processor for $49.99, which I thought was good value. Then there was a smoothie maker for $17.99, loads of colours. So if you're into your kitchen gadgets, this is your week. They also had an electric can opener for $7.99. I actually picked this up. My current one is on its last legs. And this caught my eye, an oil dispenser with a pouring aid for $5.99. Such a simple idea, but actually really useful. I was really pleased to see these air fryer liners. They had two sizes, 120 pack in the large and 200 in the smaller. I've actually started using these myself and they stop everything sticking and making cleaning up so much easier when you finish using the trays. So I grabbed a pack of these straight away in the size large. When I spotted this Induction hob for $29.99, I thought it was such a good buy. If you're renovating and don't have a full kitchen, this is a lifesaver. Or even the outdoor cooking. We've got one in our outdoor kitchen and honestly, it's brilliant. As long as you've got power, you are sorted. There were loads of top sellers back in stock this week and they always go quickly. First up, the set of glasses. A set of 4 whiskey glasses was $4.99 and then they had the matching highball ones as well. They felt really weighty, not cheap, and they did sell out last time. Then they had these insulated glasses. They're back, $6.99. They had espresso cups, latte glasses and even ones with handles, and these always feel a bit more premium than the price. They had the Russell Hobb honeycomb range back in. The toaster and the matching kettle is only $19.99. These always look really nice, simple, but quite premium for the price. And these are back as well, the retro 1973 canisters, but that was it. No bread bins this time, which is a bit of a shame because they were so popular. Hopefully these come back soon. The vacuum sealers are back in again and they're on offer at $19.99 with the little card. These come in quite often, but I'm always a bit intrigued by them. If you've got one, let me know. What do you actually use it for and what are you sealing? The refill rolls are also $3.99, which doesn't seem bad, but again, I'd love to know if they're actually any good. They had these LED sensor lights for $4.99, battery operated with a motion sensor so they only come on in the dark. They switch off after 30 seconds and you can either stick them or screw them any way you need them. These are perfect for cupboards, hallways or under cabinets, and honestly I thought $4.99 was a good price. They had cushions this week, $6.99 or 3 for £15. Nice patterns, but I have to say they felt quite flat to me. Looked good, they just needed more filling. Then there were these sets of 3 vases for $6.99, either in a ridge design or clear. Such a nice little styling set. And they also had the shoe storage, and I was actually tempted. This would work really well stacked inside my Pax wardrobe for extra shoes, but I didn't need it, so I left it. And then I spotted a folding mattress. Not sure if this is new, but such a good option for guests. It folds away in a storage bag, so it doesn't take up much space. It's $39.99 and just something that's really handy to have when you have extra guests. There were loads of really nice homeware bits this week. These caught my eye straight away. A set of 3 baskets for $5.49. Really nice colour and honestly really good value for this set. I was very tempted by these, but I left them. They also had these decorative baskets for $5.99. Loads of different colours, really nice shapes, and just really handy storage and a great price. And then a top seller was back, the $24.99 ottoman storage units. They're actually lined in MDF, so they're really solid, really heavy, and they always sell really well when they come in. They also had the veg on offer. Not loads their flow, the carrots had gone, but they still had shallots for 8p and potatoes for 8p, so I did grab a packet of the shallots. Then I spotted these Spanish strawberries, $4.99 for a crate. They actually look really nice, so I picked up a punnet of these. But I was on a mission for the KitchenAid, so off I went to Maidenhead store. It's a small branch, so we'll see if we can get one. Okay, so I now understand what you mean when you comment and say my store is big and tidy, because this one was the complete opposite, tiny, packed in, and basically no middle aisle. I thought this was a disaster, but just as I was about to leave, I spotted 3 of them randomly on a shelf in the gardening section. I honestly couldn't believe it. They had the red and the black, so I went straight for the black. $49.99, which is such a big saving. The cheapest I could find online was $69.99, so I'm absolutely delighted with that. And next year, I'm not leaving my husband's Easter present until the last minute. Okay, I'm back from Lidl, really happy with my purchases. First up, this electric can opener for $7.99. Really pleased with this, and I desperately needed one. Then the air fryer liners for $3.99. I've just bought a new air fryer, so anything that keeps it clean, I'm all in for that. And the KitchenAid, such a good find. Over £20 cheaper than the cheapest online price I could find. And honestly, it's so cute. Once I worked out how to get the lid off, this is my husband's Easter present, so that's getting wrapped up, ready for tomorrow. And then the strawberries, I can confirm they are really nice. Obviously, we're all waiting for English ones, but these were pretty good from Spain. That's everything from this week. Let me know in the comments what you think and if you're going to try and grab anything. And if you enjoyed this one, I've got loads more videos like this on my channel and plenty more coming up. So I want to thank you very much for watching, and I shall see you on the next one. Quick one before I go. My small business, the Linen Organiser, is now back in stock. If you want your bedding neat, separated and easy to find, these bands keep everything together perfectly. They're available in all sizes and you can shop them on Amazon with free Prime delivery across the UK. I'll leave the link below.